Let's begin. Take a deep breath, a slow, deep breath. Hold it, and as you exhale, feel your body begin to settle. Feel the chair beneath you. Feel the floor beneath your feet. Feel the air on your skin. That's right. Now bring your attention to your breath. Not to change it, just to notice it. Right. Inhale and exhale. And as you exhale, feel a wave of relaxation moving down through your body. Feel it moving from your head down to your neck, and now to your shoulders, to your chest, to your belly, to your hips, to your legs, and down to your feet. And with each exhale, you sink deeper and deeper into the body, deeper into the present moment, deeper into the silence that is always here beneath the noise. Now imagine that you're standing at the edge of a vast ocean, a calm, still, endless ocean. The water is perfectly clear. The sky is perfectly blue. There's no wind. There's no wave. There's only stillness. And as you stand at the edge, you notice that the ocean is not water. It is silence. Pure, infinite, aware silence. And as you take a step forward, and as your feet touch the surface, you do not sink. You float. You are held. You are supported by the silence itself. And you walk further. And with each step, the silence rises. First to your ankles, then to your knees, then to your waist, then to your chest. And you feel yourself being gently lifted by the silence, held by the silence, dissolving into the silence. And now, you're no longer walking. You are floating on the ocean of silence. The sky above you is also silence. The water beneath you is also silence. There is no separation. There is only silence. And in this silence, you notice something. There is no past. There is no future. There is only this, only now, only awareness. And you are that awareness. You are the one noticing the silence. You are the one resting in the silence. You are the one who was never the worry, never the fear, never the bill, never the story. You are the awareness in which all of it appears. And all that awareness is untouched. Untouched by circumstances, untouched by time, untouched by the world. And in this silence, you are asked a question, a gentle question, a question that comes from the silence itself. What do you need to release? And you listen. And the answer comes. Not in words, but in a feeling. A loosening. A letting go. You release the grip of the mind. You release the need to control. You release the fear of what might happen. You release the story of not enough. And as you release, you feel lighter, freer, more spacious. And you realize you are never the weight. You are always a space that holds this weight. And now the silence speaks again. Not in words, but in knowing. You are not the one who provides. You are the space in which provision appears. You are not the one who solves. You are the awareness in which solutions arise. You are not the one who worries. You are the stillness in which worry dissolves. And you rest there, resting in the silence, resting as the silence, knowing that you are held, knowing you are home. And now, I will count from 1 to 5. And when I reach 5, you can return to full waking awareness, bringing with you this knowing, this peace, this silence. 1. Beginning to return, aware of the room around you. 2. Feeling the floor beneath your feet, the breath in your body. 3. Carrying the silence with you, knowing it will always be available. 4. Fully present, fully grounded, fully awake. 5. Eyes open, calm, clear, and at peace. You are awake. You are aware. You are home. Now we're done. But let's go ahead and take one coherent breath. Breathe through your heart center and repeat after me. I am the calm beneath the questions. I am the peace beneath the worry. I am the silence beneath the noise. I rest here now. I am at home. I am home. The wish is fulfilled, not because I made it so, but because I finally stopped blocking it. And that's exactly where you need to be. Namaste. I love you.